Hello and welcome. These are some of the things that affected our funds in January. Tough start to the year, uncertainty around China and falling oil prices. Since the financial crisis, we haven't experienced such a sharp decline in the new year as we did in 2016. The year started off with falling share prices due to renewed uncertainty about China's outlook and the continued falling oil prices. The correction affected emerging markets and developed global markets equally. Hardest hit were commodities, energy and the financial sector. These are the sectors that are the most exposed to a decline in the Chinese economy and the spillover to the rest of the world. Before the new year, the US Central Bank indicated that they will hike the policy rate 3 to 4 times in the course of 2016. Given the weaker economic prospects, the market now expects only one interest hike. In the euro area and Japan, the market expects the reverse, with continued quantitative easing. The tough start to the year was also reflected in the performance of our equity funds. All of them ended up behind their respective benchmark indices in January. One of the reasons for this is that our funds have fewer US companies in their portfolios than their benchmarks. Nonetheless, there are bright spots where we as stock pickers can find investments that rise in value in markets which are otherwise impacted by the correction. Now, let's take a look at which companies have contributed most and least to the returns in the funds. For SKAGEN Global, US security company Tyco International was the best contributor to monthly performance, along with supermarket chain WM Morrison and US energy company Xcel Energy, while Citigroup, AIG and Samsung Electronics were the 3 largest detractors. For SKAGEN Kontiki, the top 3 performers in January were DRD Gold, Kiatnakin Bank and Golar LNG. The South African gold miner DRD Gold strengthened together with its sector as gold regained its role as a safe haven asset during periods of uncertainty. The Thai bank Kiatnakin strengthened throughout the month as it became clear that the operating environment is improving after the release of strong 4Q results, with an improved outlook for a domestic car market recovery. At the bottom of the performance list, we yet again see State Bank of India, Samsung Electronics and Great Wall Motor. State Bank of India was heavily impacted by potential new provisioning rules that could put pressure on earnings and capital ratios. The airline company AirAsia was the only company that delivered positive returns in the SKAGEN Focus portfolio. On the negative side, we find AirCap Holdings, AIG and Citizens Financial Group. And that was a quick look at the highlights in January. We will shortly be publishing our annual report, which will give you an in-depth overview of what happened in the funds in 2015 and what the portfolio managers expect in 2016. Keep a lookout for the report on our web pages. Thank you for watching.